Despite Jamaica losing their Group 2 Davis Cup playoff tie to Uruguay at the weekend, team manager Joel Jones says he's excited for the future of local tennis, especially given the crowd support at the Ligani Club for the recent matchups. The South Americans progressed to Group 2 after winning the tie 3-1. Jones says the fans coming out over the 2 days of competition is testament to the level of growth in the interest of the sport locally.
And there's more to come. I mean, I'm not at liberty to say, but it really speaks a testament of, just the Jamaican spirit, doing a lot with a little, which is what we have been doing so far. But right now, the brand of tennis is strong. Through the work of Tennis Jamaica, through, the way that our teams have been showing up internationally, through the way that the local federation has been showing up internationally, the way that ITF has a positive view of the work that the federation is doing in tennis.
Jones also hinted where the sport is concerned, Jamaica is being positioned to be a leader in the region for various competitions.
Tennis is poised to explode, and once we are able to add to the facilities and to add, truly world-class facilities to the Jamaican environment, then we will see an even greater jump, I predict, in not only the quality of the tennis played here, but the quality of international tennis that we're able to attract to Jamaica, because we've proven that with little, we can hold truly international events.